I'd like to begin with a fact, a simple yet shocking fact. It is this: a flood tide of filth is engulfing our country in the form of newsstand obscenity and is threatening to pervert an entire generation of our American children.
Hello, friend. Mozine here, and I've created a new punk product for the punk rock community. And if you haven't seen it, I have a whole training for punk rockers. That's pretty awesome. One of the modules is creating punk rock products. So anyways, I have this new product out for the punk rock community. It's 20 sound bites that are anti-porn scare, vintage clips from a anti-porn scare movie from 1965, and I took and edited it and came up with 20 little sound bites. They're wave files, and you can use them on podcasts, on radio shows, and in songs. They're good for anything. Like any niche can use them. They're pretty funny. I think they're especially good for punk rock, but anybody looking for funny sound effects could use them for all kinds of products and stuff. There was a soundbite before. I'll do another soundbite after. And but you can download them. There'll be a link in the description. Just click that. You can download them for free. You don't have to opt in or anything. And the sound bites are public domain. If you have any questions about licensing rights, there's a licensing term PDF in the zip folder that you download, and that'll tell you everything you need to know. And they're really funny sound bites. I think you'll get a kick out of them. Like I say, they're perfect for a podcast or a radio show or a song. Just edit them right into your project and stuff. And like I say, just click the link below, and you can download them for free, no opt-in necessary, nothing. You don't have to pay anything. You can just download them directly to your hard drive and then unzip the file and listen to all of the clips. There's 20 of them, and they're all very funny. So anyways, it's just my gift to the community, and I'm trying to keep busy and also get my name out there and stuff. So download them and use them, and thanks so much. Here's one more soundbite for you to listen to.
Obscene literature is a $2 billion a year business. That's $2 billion.